Hello students, as you all know that we're doing the sums of conductance. In my last video I explained you three sums. So here we go with number 4. You can go through the question. The resistance of a DC normal solution of a salt occupying a volume between two platinum electrode 1.80 centimeter apart and 5.4 centimeter square in area was found to be 32 ohms. Calculate the specific conductance and equivalent conductance of the solution. Now let us see how to solve these students. So you can see out here, DC normal actually means n by 10. Normal means normality, symbol capital N, DC means upon 10. And we can write this as 1 upon 10 n because n ones are and 10 is there. So n by 10 can be written as 1 upon 10 upon n. So 1 upon 10 will give you 0.1 when you divide and n is n. So the value of basic normal actually is 0.1 and this is the value of concentration in normality represented by Cn. Length is given 1.80, so you can simply write 1.8. Area is given 5.4, so I wrote that only. Resistance is given 32 ohm. Now the question is saying you to find specific conductance, that is kappa, and equivalent conductance, that is lambda eq. Now Rk is given, you can see, so we can use the formula of cell constant. You know that cell constant means Rk, and even cell constant again means L by A. So cell constant means Rk went to La, I used to say. So why I am replacing here cell constant with La? Because La is also given, Rk is also given, students. Now when you take this R down, then your kappa will be 1 L upon Ra. Now the value of length, that is the distance, is given as 1.8 centimeter. I am writing from here. Your resistance value is given 32 ohms, which I am writing here. Area of cross section is given 5.4 centimeter. I am writing here. Done. Now this centimeter square and this centimeter will get cancelled. So let us play with the unit first. So if this ohm goes up, become ohm inverse. Similarly, if this 1 centimeter which is left goes up, becomes centimeter inverse. So the unit of specific conductance, that is kappa, is ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Now the value. This and this will exactly go by 3 times. Okay. 1.8 into 3 is 5.4. Now when you multiply 3 and 32, you get 96. So now we get is 1 upon 96 ohm inverse centimeter inverse. Now students, if you divide 1 by 96, you will get 0.01042. Okay, and ohm inverse can be replaced with the Siemens because ohm inverse and Siemens means same. Centimeter inverse is centimeter inverse. By this we got the first part answer, that is how to find specific conductance. Now to find equivalent conductance, the formula is kappa into 1000 by Cn. You all know that. Now kappa, just now we got 0.01042, that I am writing here. 1000 is 1000. Cn is the concentration in normality, which is given 0.1, which I am placing here. Now when you multiply these two, this point will shift 3 steps back when you multiply with 1000. So it become 10.42 and denominator what we have 0.1. So again when you divide these two, you get 104.2 and the unit of lambda m is what? Lambda eq is what? Ohm inverse centimeter square. If it was m, I could have written here mole inverse, but here is eq, so we write eq inverse. So this is your second part answer. Hope so you all understood. If not, you can repeat the video whenever it is feasible to you all. Done? Now we go to the fifth sum. The conductivity cell has an electrode 1 centimeter apart, means distance is given, that is length. Each electrode has a cross-section area of 2 centimeters square, means area is given, length is given 1 centimeter, area is given 2 centimeters square. Now concentration is given n by 50 and this is n, so I am writing here Cn. And you can write this as 1 upon 50 n because n ones are n upon 50 means same. And the resistance is given to you here is 166.5 ohm, that I am writing here. Now the question is saying us to find equivalent conductance, and you know the formula of equivalent conductance is kappa into 1000 by Cn. Okay, so 1000 is 1000, the value of Cn is 1 upon 50, that I am writing here. Now do remember student, we can replace kappa with cell constant by R. You can look out here, if I bring this R down, so kappa even means cell constant upon R, that I am writing here. Now if this 50, 1 upon 50 goes up, it becomes 50, 1000 is up only. This R will come down, which is here. And again cell constant we can replace with L by A because both L and A is given in this question. Now length is given 1 centimeter, so I am putting 1 as the value. Area is given 2, so I am writing here 2 into 1000 into 50, both are there. And resistance is given to you is 166.5 that I am placing here. Now you can cancel these two. 2 ones are 2, 225 is a 50. So 25 into 1000 will give you 25,000 upon 166.5. And when you divide these two, you get 150.1. And since you are finding lambda EQ, so the unit will be ohm inverse centimeter square. If here was m, I could have written here mole inverse, but here is EQ, so we write here EQ inverse. So this is how we solve the sum. Hope so you have understood, student. If yes, please take the screenshot of this and make the notes. Okay. Thank you very much.